So, very good evening, everyone. How are you all? And I welcome you all to Lil Vinci Summer Creative Fest 2021.
Good evening, all, and a very warm welcome to you all. Okay, yes, today we have piano session free.
Yes,
Vika said, I am very excited.
very good.
Very good.
And so are
Okay,
we. The entire Lil Vinci team is full of excitement.
very good, all very good. So, you all know what we have learned in our past class. So, yes, we can begin the session now.
Yes, so Aarti ma'am has such wonderful students with her. Very good. That's so
Yes.
awesome. Okay, hello ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, Ishita ma'am. Hello, Mamta ma'am. Hi, dear kids. How are you all? Who is going to tell me what songs we are going to do today?
Oh yes, a
Come on,
song.
quickly write in the chat box. What are
Kal
the
ho na
songs
ho.
which we are going to do today?
Shreya Mishra.
Very
Kal ho
good.
na ho. Kal ho na ho.
Kalhona ho and I told you we are going to do
And
two
one
songs.
English song.
Love
Love
Me
me
Like You
like
Do.
you do.
Wow.
Three
So
Yes.
that's
Yes.
great. So both the songs are good. Okay, and I know I can teach you not the full song we will go with. We will go with the intro part of the songs. Okay, and I'll not waste much of your time. And I'll share my screen to you, and I'll show you both the songs one by one. First, I'll show you the symphony of Kal Ho Na Ho. Is my screen visible to every one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the symphony of the song Kal Ho Na Ho. तो हम यहाँ तक करेंगे. Till here we are going to do the song Kal Ho Na Ho. Okay. And what we will do? We will do it in Perfect Piano app and in a physical piano. हम दोनों में करेंगे. Then after completing this song, we will go to the second song, that is Love Me Like You Do. And similarly, we'll do both the songs. Okay. So how it is? You must have heard it already. I will only sing this much because we are going to do this much only in the Casio. Okay. It's हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो ना हो. Fine. This part we are going to do in Casio, the Perfect Piano app and the physical piano, both the ways. Okay. Again, I'm telling you the symphony part now. C B C B C B C E D C B A B A B C B C B C B C E D C B A B A B. So these two lines are same. Then G A C A F G A G G A C A F A A G. Clear? So I'll stop sharing my screen now and I'll switch to the perfect piano. So now I'll show you first in the physical piano, okay? One of the question which I just saw in the chat box was how to write the alphabets in the physical piano. So it's very easy, beta. There are two color keys I already told you, black and white. Black keys are in the pair of two. Two keys and three keys. आप अपने पूरे पियानो में देखोगे तो वो two और three के पेयर में होंगी. Fine. So जो two pairs वाली होती है keys, the keys which are in two pair, the first key has C. This white key just below the black is C. तो यहाँ से हम start करते हैं C. Then we can write G, E, F, G, A, B, C. You can see right now my piano in which it's very slightly it is written C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You can just take a screenshot of my screen or you can just see and write it in your physical piano also. Okay. अब आपको मैं बता रही हूँ how you can play this song from C. We will start this one C. Okay, हम first C start नहीं करेंगे. We will start from second C. Okay. So first line we have is C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C. You can start from here also or here also. Okay, it's your wish. लेकिन जो B यूज होगा वो C से पहले वाला B यूज हो रहा है. Okay. Okay, you can use from here also. Understood? C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C. Clear? Fine. This is the first line. Okay, clear till here? Then second line is Roop Zindagi, that is B A B A B. Roop Zindagi. Understood? Now the first two lines are repeated again. जो आपने यहाँ तक बजाया है, whatever you have played till here, you have to repeat it again for next two lines. Okay? So next line is छाँव है कहीं, कभी है धूप जिंदगी. So it is same. C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, A, B. That's good, Nipun. If you have learned to play the song, that's wow. You're so quick. So let's do it again. Next is छाव है कभी नहीं है धूप जिंदगी. Anshul, the octave I am using is middle octave and the higher octave. मैं middle और higher octave use कर रही हूँ. I am using my middle octave and my higher octave. Okay? Let's do it again. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. छाव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी. Okay? So these are the first four lines which we have done. Now last two lines are left. That is हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. And the symphony is G A C A F G A G. So it is G A C A F G A G. Okay. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. Fine. G A C A F G A G. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. Next line, the last line is G A C A F A sharp A G. That is जो है समा कल हो ना हो. A sharp is the black note. Okay, जो sharp होते हैं those are the black notes, and the black note just above the natural note is its sharp. वो black note जो white note के just above होगा उस note का sharp होगा. Like this is C note, so the black note above C is C sharp. The black note above D is D sharp. The black note above F is F sharp. Above G, G sharp. Above A sharp. Okay. Now coming back again to physical piano. Now I think so all of us has understood the symphonies, and we'll try to play it again as a whole. Okay. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. छाव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. जो है समा कल हो ना हो. Okay. Beta, I'll come to the Perfect Piano app also. Just let me clear with the ones who are using the physical piano ones. Okay. Bacha, you can just take a click of it so that I can move to the Perfect Piano option to show you how you can play this in Perfect Piano. Beta, you have to use in piano tune. Okay, no organ tune, no bell tune. Yes, you can also use, no, don't use real piano app, beta, because we are working with perfect piano app, and then it will be difficult for you to understand the things. Okay, so I'll stop sharing my screen now. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly.
Okay. So in the perfect piano app, I'll tell you first, आप अपना scroll करो इसको from F4 to F5. Okay, scroll it to F4 and F5. Beta, don't use real piano app. Why I'm telling you? Because perfect piano is the one in which we are working, which will be easy for you to understand and for us also to make you explain. Okay, so that's why I'm asking you to work in perfect piano. So the first line of the symphony was C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C. So it is हर घड़ी बदल रही है. Next line is B, A, B, A, B. रूप जिंदगी. Okay. Now again next line is same. छाब है कहीं कभी है रूप जिंदगी. Okay. Watch it carefully, everyone. You need to just learn symphony. आपको symphony याद कर, it is anywhere in front of you, then it is easy for you. Okay, so keep it in front of you in any phone or in any notebook. Just write down Patafat into in any of the page, rough page, and keep it in front of you. Okay, and sing with me. C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, A, B. Next line is same. C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, A, B. Now last line is हर हर पल यहाँ G, A, C, A. Okay, हर पल यहाँ. Okay, I'll sing it more slowly. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. Fine. छाव है कहीं कहीं है रूप जिंदगी. हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो ना हो. Understood? As you have your screen shared, I have shown you earlier the symphony written in the PPT. You have to just see those symphonies, the words, the alphabets, and you have to press the same alphabet in your perfect piano app or in your physical piano. So that's not much stuff, but yes, the coordination has to be there. Okay, so it is first line is C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C. Then second line is B, A, B, A, B. I will show you the symphony again once completing with the song in the perfect piano. Okay. The next is C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, A, B. Okay. Then the second last line is G, A, C, A, F, G, A, F, F, G, A, G. Okay. Then last line is G, A, C, A, A sharp, A, G. I'll tell you in physical piano again, Charmi. Once last time I'm telling in the perfect piano, and then I'll show you one more time in physical piano, and then we will move to next song. Okay. So let's do it again. C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C, E, D, C, B, A B A B G A C A F G A G G A C A F A sharp A G. And now I'll show you in the physical piano. Okay. So the symphony was. बेटा A sharp is the note just above A. A sharp A के just ऊपर जो black note है मोहित, that is A sharp. Understood?
Ma'am, I will play the Hindi song first 4 lines.
Okay,
Sure.
dear.
Okay.
हर घड़ी बदल गई है जिंदगी, रूप जिंदगी चाव है
Good,
Very
good, very
good,
good,
very
very
good.
good.
ओके मैम,
Come on, do it.
ओके मैम. चाव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी. That's it, ma'am.
Very
Okay.
good.
Very good, Sumitra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry.
Period
Very
of
good,
time you
Akash.
are
Very
able to
good.
play such song.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will play Love Me Like Me Do.
Okay,
Very
beautiful.
good.
That's it, ma'am. I got it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Very beautiful.
Wow.
So what I'm going to teach, she already knows that.
And we
Okay,
really
all.
hope you had a fun time learning with Lil Wincy and your dear Aarti ma'am.
Okay, all. Take care till then. And
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
we'll see you in
everyone.
our upcoming sessions.